Hi everybody, so today we are at Blizzard Beach and it is actually completely dead. The parking lot was practically empty, so I'm hoping we can get in here and do a lot of slides. There's a lot of things Grayson can do. We are going to do the Summit Plummet. I want to do the downhill double dipper, that's my favorite. And then of course we'll do the family raft rides, but let's get inside and see what it looks like.
Very excited.
Me too. That is Tykes Peak. And over the bridge is the ski patrol. And then there's our Summit Plummet that Lenny and I are going to do. That I think is the best right here. Don't let it scare you. It is really not that scary. It is super fun. All right, past the chairlift, down the ramp is the ski patrol training camp. You see, these slides are more for Grayson, and honestly, he's getting so
he's a thrill seeker.
He's so cultured now, like even this is getting to be not enough for him anymore. But see, lots of open chairs. So we're gonna get set up and start doing some slides. The ski patrol area is completely empty. Grayson could have his pick, but we're gonna go up to the Summit Plummet, so we have to take the chairlift up there, and there's a family raft ride up there as well. So heading up there now. So later on, after we work up an appetite, we're gonna stop here at Icy Expeditions and get the sand Pail Sundae. It's just standard ice cream, but what's nice is it comes with a little bucket and I think a little shovel possibly that he can dig with later. So it's a souvenir and a snack, right buddy? So at the top of Mount Gushmore, Green Slopes, is Summit Plummet, Slush Gusher, and Teamboat Springs. Teamboat Springs is the family raft ride, which we are going to do right now. We'll see you on there. Neat, because if you're like us and you have one adult that wants to do the bigger slides that smaller children can't get on, Summit Plummet, Slush Gusher, one parent can be riding the slides while the other keeps the little one busy at the ski patrol area swimming or doing the 2 slides, or the thin ice training course, which Grayson wasn't digging that, but maybe your child would.
Little tunnel through the mountain, going underneath the slush gusher and the summit plummet. I want to say tropical plunge all the time. That's Kings Island, Cincinnati thing. We're having so much fun here.
All right, we are at the red slopes now, and now we're going to do runoff rapids. It has 3 slides at the top. It's a tube slide. It has actually no minimum height requirement. However, the tubes aren't enclosed. So there is like a risk if you have like a small child, they could fall through it or slip through it. But I mean, Grayson is fine, he can. But I would just be mindful of that if you have younger kids. I think they would actually slip through it, and I don't know, that would be scary. So I would say probably under age 3, I would not suggest this slide. But Grayson really likes it, so we're gonna go do that now and then head over to the purple slopes that has the belly mat slide and then the downhill double dipper. And then there's one more over there too, I think. I don't know, we'll see when we get over there. Trudging up the steps. And that's what I was talking about with the tubes. See, they're not completely enclosed, so like a small child could kind of slip through it. This little guy, guess he'll be okay. Grayson, I gotta go first.
Here goes the grandma.
Woo! This is fun. Oh, this one's long. Woo! Ah, it's bumpy. Oh, Grayson's gonna love this. There's my buddy.
Woohoo! Woo! Ah! Whoa! It's intense! Oh, that is awesome. That is awesome. Yeah. Oh, bump. Ah, I didn't like that before. That was cool. Hey.
These are the 3 slides for the purple slope. Downhill double dipper, snowstormers, toboggan racers. These 2, belly mat slide. That one is a tube slide. Grayson's not tall enough for the double dipper, so we're gonna do the 2 belly mat slides. And poor Grandpa's gonna have to carry him up all the steps. Thank God Grandpa is conditioned. He's got it all day. He's making room for lunch at the Polite Pig though. So the first stop, the downhill double dipper. Grayson's favorite. So this is the one where you kind of go down by yourself on your belly, and then over there, that's where you race. So you grab your mats. They come off the conveyor belt. And then you head over, and there's 3 slides, so we're gonna race. Right, buddy? But they're all pretty much the same thing. Grayson did this last time we were here, and he loved it.
Oh my gosh.
That's so fun! Yeah, let's go! Now we're going to do the toboggan racers, which is where we race side by side. Up to like 6 people can. Another belly slide. Hey! Feed the mat monster. He's hungry. Good job. All right, what do you want to do next? Come on, we gotta go.
All right, getting ready to go on the downhill double dipper.
sure I won.
All right, I'm here at IC Expeditions, getting the sand Pail Sundae for me, Grayson and Sheila. I got 3 spoons. So after tax, it's about 20 bucks. That's not bad, considering what you get. That is a huge bucket of ice cream. All right, and that is the sand Pail Sundae. Again, $20 at IC Expeditions. I'm gonna dig into that. That looks good.
Let me help you,
What do you think, guys?
Delicious. Yum, guys. You loving it?
I love that ice cream. Oh my God, this is spot. I'm serious.
That's your reward for climbing 1 million steps today.
I'll do it
Yep.
again for another one.
Deal. So we'll take you up on that. So how was your ice cream? Was it worth $20, do you think? Do we give it a thumbs up? Yeah, it's pretty good. They even have cake at the bottom. And then we're gonna wash it out, and then you can go play in the sand with the bucket. That looks yummy, guys.
Go for it.
All for you, buddy. This is your vacation. You enjoy yourself.
Have a bite of that?
Yeah.
Cool, I'm gonna take the ear.
So we had an awesome day at Blizzard Beach. Very low crowds because it was kind of chilly. I'm sure everybody was at the main theme parks just because of the weather. Grayson had a blast. We rode everything by 12 o'clock. We got ice cream, a Mickey pretzel with cheese, and played in the sand. And then we're gonna head out and go to Disney Springs. So thanks for coming with us, and we'll see you at Disney Springs. Where are we going? Do you know?
Back to Blizzard Beach. Back there. We're going back there.
Disney Springs.
We go to back to Disney Springs. Why we're going back to Disney Springs?
Because we're hungry.
No.
We're in Disney Springs for the last time. We're sad, but we just picked up our order from Polite Pig, and now we're going over to Deluxe Burger, and we're going to get our mobile order from there and then sit inside and eat because it's kind of windy, but it is gorgeous today.
It is.
Yeah, and we're gonna take Grayson to Splitsville to bowl, and we check it out. We'll see what happens. It's the last day, so we're just kind of wild card. Whatever happens, happens. The brisket at the Polite Pig is my favorite thing at Disney Springs. It is so good.
beans.
We also got the barbecue bacon cheeseburger. Grayson doesn't think it looks great, but I think it looks delicious. Ooh, spooky stuff. What is that? Oh man. The chocolate one? Those all look tasty, don't they? I want them all.
Hold on. You ready? Yeah. This is Sparta! It's madness! This is blasphemy!
Okay. How about I say the picture?
Go!
Bye, Windsor Hills. We will miss you. We are headed to the airport. Our time in Orlando is over. Unfortunately, we're so sad, but we are probably going to come back. So I'm hoping January. I have a reservation at Shades of Green Resort, and they offer a promotion for veterans in January and September that they can actually stay. Typically, it's just for active duty or retired reservists, but veterans can stay at that property January and September. So we may come back. We'll just have to kind of see what's going on after the holidays. But our next trip is going to be to Pigeon Forge, Sevierville. We're going to Wilderness Hut Smokies and back to Dollywood for their Smoky Mountain Christmas. So stay tuned for that. But thanks for coming with us, and we'll see you on our next adventure. And please remember to like, subscribe, and leave comments down below. We'll see you next time.